Good morning. This is Arizona. My. Oh, okay.
What the heck? What happened last night?
We fell asleep. It was raining. And we woke up. There's a bunch of snow. And we're in Arizona.
Somewhere in Arizona.
I don't know where we are in Arizona. It's definitely pretty though. The lake looks gorgeous.
There's our frozen water jugs.
Yeah.
There's the box.
Oh jeez. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's so frozen.
Veal, you ready for some coffee?
I am more than ready for some coffee.
Heck yeah, let's set up.
So much fun.
Get it going.
Going off.
Yum. Big yum. Thank you.
Do we want cheers to anything?
Yeah.
Cheers to making it through the snow. Hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah, we gotta make it
Out of here.
That'll be interesting, but it'll be fun. It's a beautiful campsite.
Yeah, it is really nice.
Subi's taking it like a champ too. All cleaned off, ready to go.
All right, let's get it.
Freaking mussels! Oh my goodness! Oh go! Okay. You got this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ooh, let's go.
X one.
X Games mode. Oh, she ready? Okay. That was pretty smooth.
She's doing great.
Just try not to ram the picnic tables.
So beautiful.
There's no wind either, so all the snow is just sticking around, hanging out on the trees.
We're losing some ice.
Losing some traction too. Oh, geez, Louise. Woo! The lake is gorgeous. How am I looking?
Yeah, you're clear.
Okay, here we go.
Slush.
Look at that lake. Holy moly. Let's go check out some cool stuff again today. I'm gonna get us there safely, not quickly. It's so pretty.
There are people that